In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use images in HubSpot content. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps to effectively incorporate images into your HubSpot emails. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot trial guide. Open your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot site. Once you're in, look for the trial guide specifically tailored for the Sales Hub professional. This section is a great starting point as it houses all the tools you'll need, giving you access to the various features and trials available. Now, once you're on the key trial guide page, your next step is to locate and click on the email section. Within HubSpot, emails are a powerful tool for communication, and knowing how to enhance them with images will certainly boost your engagement rates. By clicking on email, you'll enter a workspace where you can manage all your email communications. After you've entered the email section, it's time to edit your existing email or start creating a new one. Click on the Edit button. This is crucial because it's the starting point of customizing your email content. By doing so, you're entering the editing mode where you have the flexibility to modify text, adjust settings, and, of course, add images. Now comes the exciting part, adding your image. What you'll do here is click on the Image button in the toolbar, and then simply drag the image you want into your email layout. Drag and drop functionality is incredibly handy as it allows for a seamless transfer of images without needing to go through extra steps. Make sure your image is ready to use, preferably a high-quality one that's appropriate for your audience and message. Once you've positioned your image exactly where you want it within the email, your next action is to click on Select Image. This option allows HubSpot to access your image repository where you can choose the right visual to complement your email content. If the desired image is not yet uploaded into HubSpot, you might need to upload it first. Keep in mind that images should match your brand colors and theme to maintain a consistent look and feel across all your emails. That wraps up our tutorial, and you've now learned how to effectively use images in HubSpot content. By following these simple and clear steps, you'll enhance your emails, making them more visually appealing and engaging for your audience. Feel free to experiment and find out what works best for your brand's message, and watch the difference it makes. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with HubSpot.